Nouns. Nouns are naming words. A noun can name a person, thing, place, or animal. Person, girl, thing, book, place, bed, animal, cat. I see a cat on the bed. The girl reads a book. Person. Here are some nouns that name a person. Girl, boy, dad, mom. Dad has a red car. Place. Here are some nouns that name a place. House, school, hall, car. Dad sits in his red car. Thing. Here are some nouns that name a thing. Chair, table, book, bed. A book is on the bed. Animal. Here are some nouns that name an animal. Cow, dog, hen, pig. The cat runs from the dog. One and many. A noun can name one person, thing, place, or animal. Or a noun can name many people, things, places, or animals. We add the letter S or ES to name many people, things, places, and animals. 1. Many, cake, cakes. 1. Cup, many cups. 1. Mom, many moms. 1. Box, many boxes. 1. Mom puts the cake in the box. Many. Mom puts the cakes in the boxes.